Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify digital advertising analytics with Facebook ads, full guide step by step clearly. To verify digital advertising analytics with Facebook ads, start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Next, navigate to the campaign you want to analyze. Click on the campaign name to access the ad sets and individual ads. Once inside, check the performance metrics displayed at the top of the page. Focus on key metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. To ensure accurate data, cross-reference these metrics with your website analytics. Open your website analytics tool, such as Google Analytics. Locate the relevant tracking code on your website to confirm it's correctly implemented. Look for campaign-specific UTM parameters on your website to match the data with Facebook ads. Return to Facebook Ads Manager and filter your results by date to align with your website analytics timeframe. Compare the clicks reported in Facebook ads with the sessions recorded in your website analytics. Investigate any discrepancies between the two data sources. Next, review your conversion tracking settings in Facebook ads. Ensure that the conversions you want to track are correctly set up in the conversion settings. If using Facebook Pixel, check its implementation on your website. Test the pixels functioning through the Facebook Pixel Helper extension. Once verified, analyze the conversion rate reported by Facebook ads alongside the total conversions in your analytics tool. Identify trends or patterns over time to better understand your advertising performance. For deeper insights, segment your audience and analyze the data based on demographics or interests. Document your findings to track progress over time and adjust your advertising strategy accordingly. Finally, make any necessary adjustments to your campaigns based on the verified analytics to improve performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and, after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.